Hello, and welcome to my Milestone 3 code walkthrough and demonstration. For this milestone, we're supposed to create a console application to demonstrate how our full application may work further down in the class. Let's go ahead and start the code, and I'll walk through how it works and demonstrate how it works. So first of all, my program starts by displaying the menu. The menu is displayed using this method up here named printMenu. Along with that, any option we type in will be handled by MenuHandler, which is a is a switch case that handles whether the number you input, whatever it is, and whatever it will run. Some of these cases will have if-elses or try-catches in case there is any further menu I want to display, which I'll show later on. The early ones that just display something are simply just displaying and whatever it gets back from my address book class. So let's start by walking through the menu. Number 1, list all contacts, works just as intended, and lists all contacts currently in the address book. 2 will list all personal contacts. This is handled within the address book class, and it just simply checks whether it goes through the hash map and takes any object that is a instance of person contact and then puts that in its own separate array list. The same thing works for option 3, which is business contacts, but I'll go ahead and demonstrate it. There it displayed just my contact, and if we do the same thing for 3, it will display only McDonald's. Let's go ahead and search for a contact. Upon pressing number 4, the user is prompted with 2 options, either searching with the name, email, or just going back in case you didn't want to search for an email, or in case you didn't want to search for a contact. Let's go ahead and just search by name. We are now prompted and asked to enter the first and last name of the contact with the space separating them. So in this case, we'll just look up my name, and it returns the object that is my contact. I hope to use this later on to return the object and display the object. That way the user can click on the object or whatever is displayed on screen, and it'll take them to display all the information within the object. Let's go ahead and update a contact. We'll update my contact. For that, let's just press 5, and it displays all contacts currently in the list that you can select from, starting from 1. Let's go ahead and edit. Let's edit McDonald's. So you can enter in any field here, and you can choose which one you want to edit. Let's go ahead and say they updated their number, or I want to favorite them. Let's go ahead and change those two. So number is under number 4. And we'd like to change the number maybe 661 297 5428. As you can see, the number is now updated here. Now we can go ahead and change it to be a favorite. So you press 10. It asks you if you want this contact to be a favorite. Let's go ahead and just say yes. And now the contact is displayed as a favorite. Let's go ahead and exit with 0. And go back to the menu. Let's go ahead and create a new contact. 6. This is done using the base contact class, and it goes ahead and for when you create a contact without any data fields, it will simply just ask a series of questions, and we go ahead and enter that into the address book. So let's go ahead and create another person. We'll say there's no pick. We'll say the name is John Doe. His email is john.doe@microsoft.org. I don't know. His number, just go ahead and say it's 661. We'll just use my number, so, or my old number. His street, let's just say we don't know it. We're just gonna put these fields as empty. Maybe we know what his zip code is for some reason. Go ahead and put 96731. His country, we know for sure he's in the United States. And we don't know his birthday, unfortunately. Description, just say he's the IT man that helps us on occasions. So we've now added John Doe to our contacts list. You can go ahead and press 1, and you can see John Doe here added in alphabetical order as well. If we go ahead and press 2, you see him under personal contacts as well. Let's go ahead and delete a contact as well. Say we didn't like John Doe there. Maybe he insulted us. Let's get rid of him out of our address book. And go ahead and list our address book again, and we can see he's removed from it. Currently, number 11 and 12 display currently unimplemented, simply because we haven't got to a point where we could load and save contacts from a file. Hopefully I hope to add these to my application as soon as they learn how to do so, or if I decide to learn so on myself. Let's go ahead and wrap this up by exiting the program with 0, and it closes the program. Thank you for watching my Milestone 3 code walkthrough and demonstration. Have a nice day.